Why are people driving stupid today? Oh my god. The flashing yellow turn signal, and this person just stayed right here and he could have gone. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Little rant over.
Okay, so I stopped at Reese's and then I stopped at Little Caesars. They have watermelon crush. Listen, I don't drink pop, but I will drink a fruity drink. Don't like Dr. or Mountain Dew or anything like that. But when there's a new fruity drink, I have to try it. Y'all, that tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Not even joking. Holy crap. And, crazy bread for the drive home. I gotta make sure I save some for my honey. I'll dip it in the sauce. Some pizza. We are getting a slice to eat on the way. Maybe. I missed their little seasoning pack. In Alabama, you used to be able to buy it in a big container. It's good.